kid, bro. I am from Chi-Town, bro. You ain't gonna be talking to me like that, bro.
You want back then? Hey, Vaughn, tell bro, go spin that bin. All them niggas was scared to shoot our vids. We had guns in they lens. He think he turned, but we the reason why he keep guns in his pants. You can't talk about Vaughn around me wherever I go, cause that's my twin.
Shit got real, and I got locked up in that gym, but I ain't tell. And my homie think I killed this cousin, well, oh well. Who just beat his body like I beat mine, ain't no L. Sat a deal for a couple mil, little nigga, I still drill.
We on the same shit, yeah. Fuck the same bitch, let's get it. On the same block, held the same switches.
I don't wanna talk unless we talking about, yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep.
Hello guys, today is the 31st of May 2023, last day of the month. Okay, last day of the month. How was your trading month? So guys, how was your trading month? So far so good for you guys. Were you making profit like me? Remember, the account that I started with $250 is now at $1,700. I'm trying to take one more trade so that I can be more than 2,000. So yeah, let's see. I'll make a withdrawal once I'm at 3,000. Okay. Let's see. Today has been kind of hectic, you know. Gold has been trying to go up. I think I might have to close my trade partially. So yeah, we're going to look at some pairs today. We're going to look at USDJPY, Euro USD, GBPJPY, and gold. If you have any other additional pairs that you want analysis for, signal for, maybe you're in a trade, you want to know if you should close the trade early, maybe you're in a trade, you want to know if you should close the trade now or you should leave it long term, and where you should target more long term, or maybe you should close part of your trade, move to break even. Any questions, put that in the comment section. Remember, for the algorithm, all you have to do is make a comment and share the video. Those two important things. And also, if you're subscribed, make sure you have the notification bells on. If you have any other pair that you want, put that in the comment section. Today, I will repeat again, we're doing USDJPY, Euro USD, GBPJPY, and gold, XAUUSD. If you have, oh, this one is nice. If you have any other pair, put that in the comment section. You said you like me. Okay. I hope it's normal like. Thank you anyways. Do you trade? Where are you from?
Money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy.
How much did you guys make this month's trading? We're gonna wait till we have 70 to 100 people on the live stream before we start, you know, giving signals and analysis. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Can you guys hear me? Put that in the comment section, and yeah, we'll be right back to do the analysis. But before that, let's take a quick break. I want to post about Miracle Markets, which you can join, link in the description below. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, guys. So we have Ethiopia in the building. Another person says gold. Gold is already on our list. We have USDJPY, Euro USD, gbpjpy, and then gold. First of all, we'll tackle Euro USD, which I'm already on the charts with. We should have made some profits from the last trade. Someone said they got 199 pips so far this month. You could have just gotten that from even half a good trade on gold. But yeah, try to aim for more, guys. This is not how you grow your accounts fast. If you want to grow your accounts fast, you have to be scalping and you have to be sure of your trades. You have to be confident. You have to know exactly what to do in the next 5 minutes, in the next 10 minutes, in the next 1 hour. You have to know what to do if the market goes your way. If the market does not go your way, this is how you build your accounts. This is how you actually trade and grow your accounts. If you don't have full confidence on, this is not even everything, this is just something. If you if you don't have full confidence on all this, you're just going to be, losing your account or just staying at the same average level for a long period of time. All right, so let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Oh, and if you want to learn, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. We learn with live trades also. But let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD was looking short. We were saying we had a late entry, but we put an entry at 1.0745, and the market came all the way, kissed that spot, and immediately started to drown all the way to take profits. So it was a 4.5 to 1 ratio trade for 210 pips, risking less than 16 pips. Beautiful, magnificent. I got more than what you've gotten in a month in one trade, lol. With 4.5 risk to reward ratio. No, so now let's look at opportunities. Is there an opportunity to continue to take a sell? Is there an opportunity to take a buy? For now, I would say the best place to take a take a trade on Euro USD is, 1 minute. I'm looking at my software. My software is doing the analysis. Beep up, doing the analysis, and then it's going to give me everything I need. So 1.0, 1.0. Let's just say you can take a sell, guys. Pour out for the channel 1.071, and you set your target at even if you set your target here, that's still 6 to 1 ratio trade. You're risking about 8.5 pips for 50 pips, but I would say you should go all the way down to 1.0625. So that would be almost 9.1 to 9. Almost 9 to 1 ratio trade, risking about 8.5 pips for 75 pips. All right, this is another very, very good opportunity on Euro USD. Not risking a lot and profiting a lot. Let's move on to, have we done USDJPY? Let's move on to gbpjpy. 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 PK Politics Khan's legacy. Okay, Says XAUUSD. Gold will be after GBPJPY. All right. Solomon, will you consider a monthly subscription service as opposed to once-off payment? How would that be? If you want to make a monthly subscription, you can do that. If you want to pay for a period of time, you can do that. And what I'll do is keep the price the same. So if I increase the price, then you still pay the same old price. If you want to get education while paying for a monthly thing, the course is not that complicated. The course is not some kind of course where you have to sit through so many sessions, and it will take you time and so many classes before you are able to. It's not complicated. I don't use indicators. I simply just trade the charts with nothing else. My software does the analysis. So it's a lot of time saved. You are talking to someone who actually trades live. So the way you see me react, the way you see me is based on just common sense, not some conspiracy theory like support and resistance. It's conspiracy. You are just in your mind thinking it's there. Nobody on this planet knows where your support is. Nobody else on this planet outside your bedroom knows where your resistance is. Your moving averages only calculates the past. They can never predict the future. Your indicators only calculates the past. They can never predict the future. So, once you are trading for a long period of time, you make things easier and faster. Why are you stressing? Making profits is not the problem for me. You always find opportunity in the market. So I'm not always desperate to take every. You see my trades, they are rarely below 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And I can go through so many pairs and still find high risk to reward ratio trades in minutes. It's years of experience, years of you just try to remove, as it's trading. You want to remove every single possibility of question from your trade, like questioning your trade. You want to because that lowers your anxiety. Why do you want to be anxious while you're taking your trade? That doesn't make sense. Do you actually see yourself doing that for a long period of time? If you can't be calm, cool like this, then you can't. If you're still panicking, then be honest with yourself. Do you think you can do that for years? Really? Okay, someone says USD cards. We don't usually take late entries, but we will add USD cards to the list after gbpjpy. Then we'll then do gold. Right? So you're lucky. Anyways, yeah. Any other question? Put that in the comment section. So it's something you can learn in a day. Why would I stretch it out for months? I have real life to do. Maybe someday I just wanna. I'm not working. One day I just wanna. I just wanna. Oh my! Someone has done something. Oh. Okay. Let me just check something, guys. And they close. Ah, 1 minute, guys. I have to talk to one of my students. Just 1 minute. Right this moment. You see, this student went to go and meet some people, and one thing I always say is, if you don't pay someone who actually risk money to learn, you eventually end up paying the market more money and you won't learn anything. I've had students who it took them to lose 10 times the money before they actually then paid for the course. And they actually said, so many times I've always heard this, I wish I met you when I started trading. There are always consequences. If you pay the market, you will pay 10 times, 20 times more than the price of the course. Let me see. So what I was saying is, why will I want to sit down for months and keep wasting your time and or saying, oh, you have to learn this. Trading is not that hard. It's not that complicated once you figure it out. It's just very straightforward. I'm not trying to fight the markets. That's dumb. So yeah, I'm trying to help someone, hedge their accounts, you know. And these are the issues. If you don't take your money to the right person, if whoever you're learning from is not risking their own money, then why are you risking your own money? Someone said they saw my vlog, it was pretty good. Yeah, I've stopped making vlogs recently. I didn't really think people were caring about the vlogs. More people were watching my trade videos and my videos like this. You said, Solomon, that was really a really good question. A monthly subscription while learning the course, but the course is not complicated. Some students learn the course in one day. Some students it takes them 2 weeks, right? Some students 1 week. Even if you take the monthly course, you take the course for a month. Most of what you're going to be asking for are support questions, just that you'll be able to ask it at any point in time. The course is not complicated. Anyone who is making you wait months just for you to be able to trade is bullshitting you. To be honest, it's just bullshitting you. If the person cannot open charts, trade in front of you with their own money and tell you this is how you do this is how you do that, then they are just bullshitting you. Just bullshitting you. Okay, you know what a candlestick is. You know everything about trading. You know everything about trading. So why are you not making profits? Because they are bullshitting you. They are not taking trades in front of you. It's not that complicated. So they have to bullshit you for a long period of time. You know. Anyways, so it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Or what do you think what do you think is going to take months for me to open my charts and literally take trades in front of you? My system is not plenty. I have only 2 scalping system and 1 switch system. I'm not holding around 50 systems. I've been using the same system since the beginning of this channel. You can go and check from the first video. I haven't changed systems. You know, which strategy is most popular, ICT or SMC? They are both bullshit. Tell them to trade in front of you. Tell them to open their accounts and trade in front of you. Price action, confused, please guide me. Trading simple empty charts. Let me show you. Let me show you an account. Right? Let me show you how compounding is supposed to be. 1 minute, I'll share my screen for you now. Oh, wrong screen. Right? Let me show you something. I'll show you a live account and I'll show you how compounding is supposed to be done. Boom. All right, so this is an account that I started with 250, right? 1 minute. Look at this account. Okay, look at this account. And I've been uploading almost every single trade, right? What is all this? What is all this? What are all this? It's not a robot that took this trade. Okay, look at the profit. Okay, let's just look at today. This is just today. Okay, so all those nonsense, they are just giving you complicated stories. Tell them to sit down in front of you, take trades, and teach you with those trades. Tell them to do that. But yeah, hello, Jawan Sri. Let's go back to the charts. Let's not digress. Let's go back to our charts. So we can do more analysis. Okay, where are we? gbpjpy. Okay, you said okay, you are right. It makes sense then. Yeah. Let's see. I know I saw that maybe it was a pullback now. Some new sales that I have placed. I wanted to let you know that I'm practicing something. I'm using them. I said to hedge that. So I'm 945 last time. Looks nice. I said to hedge that. And that's my student. I'm just talking to my students. He's telling me that on his demo account, he's been practicing. He grew an account. On his live account, he has done 10% in 2 weeks. So it's not that complicated. I'm telling you, this is something you can learn. And he learned in less than a month, you know. So, yeah. Let me just finalize chatting with him. Very good. All right. So says, did it ever happen that a student didn't succeed with your lessons? The only time a student doesn't succeed with my lessons, which I can't remember a student didn't succeed, is if they don't use my systems, right? Some students are always, they are so used to using moving averages. They are so used to using support and resistance, right? They can have a whole week of using my system, right? But because they are so used to winning, they now start going back and adding moving averages. They go back and start adding support and resistance, thinking that they can make the strategy better, thinking they can make more money because they're so used to making money. They're so, oh, it's working over a long period of time. You know, the profit has entered their head. They've forgotten why they are making profit. They now start using back their moving averages. Then they now tell me, oh, I had issue and issue. And by the time we check it, it's always that they used another strategy. It's always that they did not follow the system. So that's why you can never see any students coming out to say, oh, they used my system and it did not work. No student ever can come out to say that. The only thing that can make them fail is if they stray away from the strategy. Because the money is sweet. You don't know that. Is it not when you said, okay, let me read what it said. It doesn't make sense. Why change something that already works? Because the money is sweet. Ask yourself, why do people blow their account? They were using a scalping strategy. They had no exit strategy. They were making profits, making profits, making profits. They now started increasing their lot size. They now started increasing their lot size more and more, more and more, more and more. And when the markets went bad once, it wipes out their whole account. Ask yourself, if they were making profits, why didn't they just stick to their same lot size? It's greed. No matter how much most people are making, no matter how good it is, they always think they can make it better. You have to learn to be satisfied. That's why I always put, if you look at all my trades, I'm always in the best position possible. Always high risk to reward ratio. Always risking little amounts, no matter what scale it is. Even when I'm scalping, best position possible. I'm trying to make big profits. I've been using only 2 scalp. So people don't have discipline. Like I said, no students can ever come out and say, oh, they used my system and it did not work. The only thing that they can say is, oh, I stopped, I couldn't do this, so I could. It's discipline. Only discipline is the problem. Plain and simple. Either they started going back to use support and resistance or moving average or all these kind of things, trend line. That's why I say the more you use it, you see, people that cannot afford my system, right? Or my course, from the moment I started this channel, I said, even if you cannot afford it, I beg you, stop using support and resistance. Stop using moving averages. Stop using all those things because it's bad habits. You are building up bad habits. This thing doesn't work, but you are using it more and more and more. Do you not think it will affect you? Psychologically, you are getting used to using bad things that don't work. So even when you find something that works, you just or subconsciously just go back to bad habits. And sometimes those bad habits are even harder to remove. When you actually now even find out how to make profits, it's just so hard for you to stop doing it. Discipline. Anyways, let's get back to it. So gbpjpy, where were we? Yeah, we gave an analysis on gbpjpy. We put the buy area at this area 172.5. So if you took this trade, you should be in some profits right now. Okay. How much profits? If you're already in 40 to 50 pips profits, take profits, move the rest to break even. And then wait, how many? What was it? You see this trade risk to reward ratio almost 7-1. Why am I risking less than 30 pips? What is the final take profits? 200 pips. We've already reached more than 100 pips. 50 pips needs to be taken in the market, or 25% of your trade, or 30% or 40%. What do you do next? You move to break even. Trade is now risk free. You've secured some profits and you're moving up to 200 pips. Not that hard, not that complicated. Why would I need to go months on how to tell you how to do this? They are bullshitting you. Anyways, okay, USD card. Someone requested for USD card. USD card, baby. USD card. Where's USD card? Woo! USD card. All right, USD card. We were taking a sell on USD card, and I said if it could not break these lows, then we could see it push back. By this point, you should have taken some profits in the market and moved stop loss all the way back to break even. So you'd have made some tiny profits and just close the trade in at break even. And from there, we saw that we were in some kind of, we couldn't break this high around here, and it then rejected. So we're back into this somewhat consolidation zone. So what is your question? I feel like you're in a trade on USD card. If you're in a trade on USD card, make a comment so I know how I can help you out. But yeah, USD card is still quite possible. It's still quite possible. It's still quite possible to take a trade on USD card. Very, very, very low risk to reward ratio. Right? Very, very low. Still quite possible. All right, guys. I just took a quick scalp trade right now. On my account. Yeah. So yeah. Let's go. Let me go back to the charts for you guys. So yeah, it's still possible to take a buy trade on USD card, right? It might not go to the final take profits, but I'm sure by the time you're in 50 pips profits, take some profits, move the rest back to break even. You can set your exit at 1.3566, right? Entry is now. Risk to reward ratio is 10 to 1. Okay. Once you're in 40 to 50 pips, or let's just say 35 pips profit, take some profits, move the rest to break even. Okay. What next? Finally, gold. All right, guys, this is the final chapter. You said people use moving averages and so many indicators. Let me tell you something, right? You can open Google right now and type it on Google. Can moving averages predict the future? They can never predict the future. Moving averages is just maths. Bunch of calculations shown in different colors of the rainbow. You know, that's why I call them rainbow indicators, right? The maths calculation of what has happened in the past is shown in maybe like an Ichimoku cloud, or they are just playing with you. They are only an analysis and calculation of what has happened in the past. They can never predict the future, even if you go to the 1 second time frame. So it just makes people feel comfortable. You know, when you don't know what you are doing, it makes you feel mentally comfortable, but deep down you know that it's still nonsense, because it gives you no what's that? It gives you no real common sense assurance. Think about it. You have no real logical assurance on a moving average. It's just hopes and gambles. But what about the people that use those things and are successful? Are they just lucky? Tell them to trade live in front of you. I keep saying it. Tell them to trade live in front of you. It's that simple. Tell them to trade live in front of you. These people you are talking about, do they trade live in front of you? Do they record their live trades? Do they stream their live trades? It's a question. You can answer that. I'll wait for your answer. All right. So gold, this didn't happen in the markets. I don't know why TradingView puts this like this, but this didn't happen. I don't know any broker that maybe this was a glitch. I don't know any broker that this happened to, you know, but this didn't happen. So let's just move this. This didn't happen. I don't know why TradingView is putting this there. Anyways, so we hit our target on gold the last time. Straight, flawless victory for about 225 pips. Flawless victory. Multiple times we were taking profits, and we got down into this consolidation area, and it had not hit our final take profits, which was around the 1930 area. Okay. Now, we set up a trade before it hits that 1930 area. Unfortunately, it hits the take profits before that, before hitting our trade entry. And then once he hits his final targets, he started showing signs of being bullish. So right now, we are currently bullish on gold, right? Well, is it going to be long term? I think it's just market manipulation for NFP. I feel like the market will just bounce all the way, you know, gold will just crash all the way down more once NFP comes up. I feel like it's just manipulation. They're just trying to make traders take buys and then eventually drop on them. But I will not argue with how the market is right now. I will just look at it the way it is, look at my software, whatever analysis it gives to me, I take it, and, you know, I plan my exit and everything properly. So is it possible to take a buy on gold? Yes, but it will be kind of risky because, like I said, I believe this manipulation, this push up is manipulation for NFP. So even if you're taking a buy, my confidence level is kind of low, right? If you still want to take a buy, it's possible to take a buy at around 1960, right? This area where it's broke, right? Well, you know, by the time you see it dropping back down into this consolidation zone, you should already know that, okay, you know, this trade is already failing, you know, because me, I'm saying it, I feel like it's a trap, you know, you should already know. If not, you can see it's continuing to go long. So where would your exit be? Where's the best place to put an exit? I would say 19, where is it? 1955, where it is. So where would be your target? Your target would be 1990, right? 1990. Where is it? Here. Risk to reward ratio almost 4-1, risking about 85 pips for 300. If you are ready to risk that amount, confidence level, I would say this trade is 50-50. Right? Why? Because we're in NFP period. Okay. 50-50. I don't trade news. It doesn't make any sense to me to trade news. Why? It's people who are desperate for profits that do that. So 50-50 because of NFP. That's my bias on this trade. So yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot to dance and play music before I did gold trade. Yeah, so I have a scalping video coming out today. I recorded most of my scalp trades for last week, Thursday and Friday, and put them in one video, and it's gonna be uploaded in the next 40 minutes. So you can go and check that and schedule for that. And it said my trading view looks so weird, not in dark mode. Your trading view looks weird in dark mode, so it's 50-50. I've just put it in light mode for, before it used to be white, then I preferred gray because the white was too bright, too sharp in your eyes, especially in the night. I asked the prop firm if they allow hedging. They said yes. Will you recommend hedging for prop firm? See, first of all, you have to be smart enough to do the calculations, right? Prop firms, if they are giving you 500K, it's basically like a $2,000 account. If prop firm is giving you 100K, it's basically like a $700, $900 account. It's not really a big account because they're expecting you to fail. If you're going to hedge, they are giving you very small leverage. They are limiting you with so many rules already. They are limiting you with leverage. They are limiting you with the amount of lot size you can use per day. They are limiting you. Some of you can't even hold trades over the week. What else are they limiting you with? So many things. So even if you can hedge, right, they will still catch you with one of those rules. That's why they know. They don't encourage things that will actually make you win as a trader. With the amount of rules they put, hedging will not really work with a prop firm. Unless you plan to trade it for a long period of time. If you're hedging, right, it can take you maybe 3 months, 3 to 4 months, based on your experience, to pass that challenge, right? But do you want to keep on paying their prop firm for 3 to 4 months? That's a question, because that's how long it's going to take you using hedging. Are you going to pay them 3 to 4 months? So, yeah. All right, so this will be the last question. Good one, Law. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands and Nigeria. I have double. So, good one, Law. Where are you from? All right, guys, so that's it for today. If you have any last questions, put that in the comment section. We have 2 more minutes. And yeah, we will be. It said it's only 60 days. You see? So they know what they are doing. They are not trying to make you pass. Guys, if you want to get free signals, use the link in the description below. Sign up with Myoga Markets. Make sure you have minimum of $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades because of the lot sizing. I'll open a private Telegram group where I'll be putting private live streams like this. It's going to be on Zoom. Okay, but if you want to use your own broker, I'll be dropping Zoom links there. Okay, so we can do some of my peers and some of your peers and do analysis and signals. If you want to use your own broker, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the 1 year one-time fee signals. So it's going to be for 1 year. You see they're even making you use 1-to-100 leverage. So yeah, free signals. Sign up with the broker link. Use Myoga Markets. It's the same broker I'm using. I've made withdrawals with them. I've even recorded it. They are very good. And you said leverage is 1-to-100 in most prop firms. You see, they know what they are doing. They will not put you in an environment to really pass. They are putting you in an environment to fail. You said you are from Botswana. Okay. All right. Oh, we have about 30 seconds left in this live stream. last minute questions. If not, we'll meet next time on Friday. If you want to buy the course and get the software, which is also coming to TradingView next month, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You say your leverage is 1 to 1,000. Okay. Let's see. And yeah, we'll end it with this video. Till next time, Friday. Hope you guys have a nice trading week during NFP. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do.
But I'm a bachelor, me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is so 9. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rap. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta